So let's talk about really quick my top 5 fall lip colors. I've swatched them on my hand pre-video so you guys can see, and I also have the tubes right here. I'm going to apply just one of them to my lips today, but I want to talk about my favorites. These ones are going to be my go-to for the whole fall season. They're the perfect fall colors and I completely love them. So the 5 colors that I'm going to talk about are right here. Some of them are limited edition. One of them is gone completely, but I have about 7 of them that I've stocked up on, so I wanted to show it because I'm going to be wearing it all the time, and I do have it if you want to buy it. Not many people have it, so I'm just throwing that out there. There we go. So that first color is the one that is discontinued that I have, and it is called Berry. So this is a dark purple. It's super pretty. In the tube it looks a little brown, but it's not. It does not apply brown. You can see that it applies as the most beautiful plum berry color ever. During the fall, berry colors are super, super, super popular. That's pretty much most everybody's go-to is this kind of dark, moody purple color. So this is my favorite one that we have that's dark and super, super pretty. So this is Berry. So this is a discontinued color. We haven't had it for a long time, probably over a year, but I still have some left because it's literally one of my favorite fall colors, and I was like, I need to make sure I have some for the rest of my life, and I need to make sure my best girl pals have access to this color. So I have about 7 if you want to grab Berry. I might wear that today because it's so amazing. Okay, so the next color, this is a normal color that you can get year-round. This is Roseberry. And this was my 3rd color that I ever purchased of LipSense. It's so good. Here it is on my hand. So it is a really good everyday red. It's darker than caramel apple, but it's not going to be as bright and bold as like Blue Red and Fly Girl. It's so beautiful on your lips. It looks so natural. It's a great everyday color. I wear it all the time, and it's super pretty to mix with the nudes. So I really like to mix it with like nude pink, apple cider, beige champagne. It is seriously so gorgeous. So that is Roseberry. Super, super love it. Okay, this one, I've been talking about this one a lot. And you guys if you've watched my videos, you're probably like, okay, broken record much? But I'm so freaking obsessed with it. It looks so good. Sorry, my nose itches so bad. Why? Stop. Okay. So this color right here, this is Peach Perfect. This just came out a couple weeks ago. It's from the Orchard collection. It's amazing and beautiful, and I'm so obsessed with it. So this is what it looks like in the tube. It looks kind of scary in the tube, you guys, but on the lips, it's like everybody has a little bit of red to their lips, and this turns into the prettiest peachy coral color. It looks so good, so natural. I am obsessed with it, and I also love wearing it with the glosses that came in that collection. Oh, I have them right here. The glosses that came in that collection, Honeycrisp and Red Delicious. Mixing those together, oh my gosh. I have it on repeat. It's so good. So that's Peach Perfect. Highly recommend it. It is limited edition. I have 5, and only 5. So if you want to grab it, tell me today, because it's gonna go. All right, so the next color, this one is so amazing. This one is a limited edition that is no longer available, but I have like 15 because it's so popular and so good. So this color right here is Glam Doll. It looks like this, and it is a reddish purple, pretty darker lip color. So you can see that it's different from Berry. Berry is definitely more purple. This one's got more of that brown to it, but this is a trending color for fall. It was a trending color last year for fall, and it's going to be a trending color this year for fall. And it's just this really pretty, deep, brownish, reddish purple. And it looks so good on everybody. Literally all skin tones. everybody looks good on Glam Doll. So if you like the color Bella, which that is probably my top seller of all the LipSense colors I sell. If you like Bella, but you're like, oh, I wish I had something a little darker, a little bit more bold to wear out in the town, Glam Doll is going to be your BFF. It's amazing. So that's the fourth one. And then the last one is Hazelnut, and this is one that you can get year-round. This is the perfect nude for fall. It is a darker brown, so it's got a good pop to it. It's going to make your lips pop. It's very much a brown nude color. It looks really good. I know that this color might scare some of you guys, but this looks so pretty on so many people. So don't be afraid of like these browns because they're pretty underrated, but I love Hazelnut. It is totally matte. It looks really pretty with just like the matte gloss. And it also looks really pretty with one of our limited edition glosses that came out called Madeline, which is kind of a matte purpley pink gloss. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna put berry on my lips today because I feel like this color I only wear during the fall. It needs to live. So I'm gonna go ahead, ghetto-ly. Really, you should like wash your lips off and dry them with a towel before you do this, but I'm never prepared. So we're gonna give this a good mix. We're gonna go ahead and apply it. It's so pretty. I feel like with these darker colors, I need to look in the mirror. Make sure I'm applying it evenly. So we're doing the first layer of berry. Isn't that pretty, you guys? This is only the first layer. I love this color. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I have not worn this since last year. Oh! And this is the prettiest color ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do layer 2. So layer 2, I kind of go deeper into my lips just to really get in that waterline. And then I take another pass right at the bottom. Because you want to make sure you're getting it like into your waterline because you don't smush LipSense colors together like you would regular lipstick. So you're going to outline the top. Get that waterline. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments what you guys think of this color. You can see that every layer you put on, it gets darker. So if you're putting this on, you're like, whoa, that's dark. Do like 1 or 2 layers and then do like a brown or a nude color and it'll lighten it and soften it up. And if this is too dark for you, if you're not into the super deep, dark, vampy lips for fall, I suggest doing sheer berry, which is a normal color that we have all year round. It's one of my top 5 sellers. Sheer berry, it's close to berry, but it's lighter. So it's more of like a good everyday color. All right, here's the third layer. And with these darker colors, you want to make sure that you let each layer dry really well because sometimes you can like pick up the last layer of color when you're applying your new layer. That's just kind of how these darker colors can be sometimes. So you want to make sure you let the layer dry before it and then you apply the second or third layer on top. Because you don't want to like go over it and then pick up the color and then it's splotchy and it just doesn't look good. That doesn't happen as much with berry, but it can happen with plum, which is another darker purple. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love this color. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to top it with our red Delicious gloss that just came out. It's so pretty. I'm just going to add a little more of like a red tint to it. Okay, you guys. So here is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. We've got a nice like fall vibes happening here. I love this lip color. So obsessed. I know I've said that like 5 times. But I love it. I love this combo of the cinnamon shimmer and the Americano and the French toast. Or French roast. It's French roast. I always say French toast. But if you want to get any of these products, let me know. I put my website in the description of the video, so you can check those out. Check out on the website. And I wanted to share with you guys a fun little surprise that I am doing for my top 5 lip colors. So I created a custom bundle for you guys for my top 5 lip colors. So in this bundle, you will get these 5 colors that are perfect for fall. 2 of these are limited, well, 1 of these are limited edition that are still here. 2 of them are totally discontinued unicorn colors, and 2 of them are from the regular collection. So if you grab all 5 of these in a bundle like this, you will get 15% off all the colors, and you will also get a free makeup bag. And this is what the makeup bags look like. They're so cute. They're glittery. They're really high quality. So they're going to come in a cute little makeup bag. And the makeup bag is also going to be filled with samples and gifts and goodies and candy. So it's going to be like a fun fall little grab bag for you. So that way you can have all the colors that you could ever want for the fall. And it's a good variety. You've got oranges, reds, browns, purples. You can mix and match these and make super cute custom colors. So there's so many possibilities for these colors. I wanted to give you guys a really good variety so you guys had an amazing spread for the fall. So you're just ready with your lips. So if you want to grab that bundle, to grab it, it's not going to be on my website. You have to send me a message. So all you have to do is send me a message to this page or on Instagram and say, I want to grab that bundle. I'm going to have it available for a couple weeks so you guys can grab it. But let me know if you want it, and I will send you the pricing information and the shipping and the discount and all the fun details on the bundle. So let me know if you want that, and I will talk to you later. Bye!